So I will be repairing this broken sunroof in this Toyota Crown. And when I say broken, not the glass, but it's not fully functional. The cable is busted. Yeah, so that needs to be replaced. I'll be replacing it with these fresh cables. To do the necessary repair, I have to remove the sunroof. And it's out. So I have removed the entire sliding arm assembly. Install the new cables. Testing the sunroof before reinstalling it back inside of the car. Yeah, press this.
Can I do it, Daddy?
Alright. Wait, next part now.
9.
Alright.
Ah.
What do you? Alright. Before push on the hose down here.
Daddy?
Yeah, push on the hose. Push on it. What should I say? Push right up. Alright, I know. Let me show you another look now. Okay. Put about this over here, so. I like it, so. Alright.
Okay, Daddy.
It made off fit up right here, so.
Okay.
We set about this here stuff first. This video. Right. And there, so.
Hi, yo.
Push on your hose now. Push on your hose.
This.
Yeah. Push up more, man. Push up the hose more. Look. Alright, straight up so. And then wait. Turn this so. And clip on this so watch. And then clip right there, you see me?
And yeah, God.
Make you do it next side. Wait. Set this good first. Set. Alright, put on your hose now.
Alright.
Put on your hose, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Andy.
Pull your hose just and push up now. Remember? Alright. Like that now. Wait, no, wait. Push up this. Like you know. Alright. High five. A job well done. Father and daughter gang at them, you know.